Yo Shinderu fam, welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be another short video, I believe. I have a few things I wanted to do with my 2021 Toyota Supra GR. First thing is I want to clean my tire and wheels because I did see a little bit of brake dust that is accumulating over the time that I was driving it. So I bought a product from like the local auto shop, AutoZone, which is called Super Clean. I've been hearing, I think, pretty much good things about it. Also, I did bought a front license plate for the Toyota Supra. And I'll be installing that today as well. But yeah, I'll show you the process how I do it. I'm probably gonna half-ass it. No, I'll try to do it as accurate as I can, and see like the results first. One of the Super Clean product. Two is mounting the license plate on the front end of my car. And yeah, I also bought like one of those like pressure squirt bottle thing from Walmart as well. I'm gonna put my degreaser in there. I'm probably gonna do, I'm not gonna do a full strength, like I'm probably gonna do like a 2 to 3 part water and 1 part solution. But yeah, let's go. Is the Super Clean that I was talking about earlier, which I'm going to be using for the tire right there. I'm also going to be using this chemical guy little pump squirter thing here, so I'm going to dilute the Super Clean. Probably do, like I said earlier, probably a 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 solution. See how that works. And also I bought a couple of brushes as well to help me get rid of all that gunk, the dust brake. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see it. Like, just, yeah, that's disgusting. Look at that. That's just awful. Blech. So first things first, I'm probably gonna hit it with some water, and then I'm gonna put the solution, mix that together, and then I'll give that a go and then scrub it. Give this a go. All right, I'm gonna do the other tires. I'm gonna let this one sit for a bit, and then I'll brush it with the brush I got. I did most of the brake calipers right there. I did miss a few spots, but I'll probably go over that again with just a microfiber towel. Fuck hell. I also forgot in there as well. I'll go ahead and hit that right now. Alright, oh great, there's noise in the background, lawnmower. I probably can't talk much, but I'll just show you, fast forward, all the stuff that I've been doing for the wheels. Right. Dude, they're all like specks of just, oh man. Again, I'm not the best cleaning tires, as you can see. I'm just like majority half-assing it. Show you guys. Brake caliper is really nice. This is, I mean, not the cleanest because I'm just not good at all, but it looks really good. Oh my god, what do you want? What do you want? Hmm? What do you want? You wanna go outside? You're outside, now you wanna go back in. What's your problem? Alright, that's done. Time to try to install this license plate. If you guys are wondering what gimbal I'm using at the moment, I just recently got the Xeon Smooth 4. Working well, pretty damn far. Alright, so the front license plate, I'm guessing it goes in this hole right here. So I'll have to pop this out and then drill in. Not drill in, but this is what I have. Let me show you guys. It's hard to do with one hand. I got this from EOS plate here. It's the hook license plate. I'll probably link that down in the description below here if you guys are interested. But I'm probably gonna set this right here to the side because I know Ambo is gonna toy with this. Hey, what are you doing? I guess this guy just wanted some pets. Dirty boy. With my little bubble. I'm glad that he's next to me. Just chilling here. Alright, I went ahead and add the second spacer right here, if you guys can see that. So I'm saying that it's probably going to give it a better clearance for the license plate to behold. That looks pretty decent, right? Still, again, this kind of wobbles back and forth, which I still am iffy about it. But I'm going to put in the actual license plate in here. Easy install. It's just take a little time finding the right place to mount this thing. And also, what could have been easier if this guy over here wasn't being a whiny little brat. Oh, now you're chilling for the camera? Nah, he's not chilling. So first off is the Super Clean, right? I end up using pretty much like a 3-to-1 solution, just because the car wasn't as dirty, or the wheel wasn't as dirty as I thought. Yes, there were some like leftover residue of Super Clean, just because that's just on my end, not, you know, didn't really give like a thorough clean on all the nooks and crannies. But overall, the product was it's very easy to use, right? Along with that the chemical guy, like self pumping spray thing, that helped out a lot. Let's see, for the front license plate, the EOS front plate, overall the installation is relatively really simple. All you have to do is take off the cap of the front of what's holding the front license plate bumper thing, and then install the bracket and then all that so forth. I just ran into a few problems just because I didn't really read the instruction thoroughly, so it took me longer than usual, but eventually I got it to work. If you guys are curious about the product I used today, I'll probably link it down in the description below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys do like these contents that I am throwing out at you guys, then please feel free to hit that like button or even subscribe if you like.